Scales. You have the major scale, which is the diatonic scale. The diatonic scale is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. But according to C major, let's hear what music theory helper has to say. Before I move on, you can see we have here 8 types of scales. You have major, natural minor, harmonic minor, melodic minor ascending, melodic minor descending, major pentatonic, minor pentatonic, chromatic scale. Okay, so all these are types of scale, and you can learn how to play them on the key of C major. What that means is that you are going to be playing more than the white keys to be able to play all the scales. All right, so the first one, which is the major scale, okay, now if you click on the drop down arrow, you see you have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now take a look at C. These are mechanical names for the notes in degree and according to their interval. So we've discussed about interval. So C is the tonic. Tonic is the same thing as the root, the starting point. Okay, D major second from C, E major third from C, F perfect fourth from C, G perfect fifth from C, A major sixth from C, B major seventh from C, C perfect octave from C, which is the upper octave. All right, perfect octave, which means 8. Now the number of semitones that are within these intervals are the one listed right in front of it. C unison, 0 semitones. All right, from C to D you have 2 semitones. From C to major third, which is E, you have 4 semitones. From C to F you have 5 semitones. From C to G perfect fifth you have 7 semitones. From C to A major sixth you have 9 semitones. From C to B major seventh you have 11 semitones. From C to C you have 12 semitones. All right, the next one, which is natural minor, let's play what it sounds like. Remember the relative minor we talk about in the circle of fifth. C major relative minor will be what? A natural minor. So the next one is natural minor. Now let's click on the drop down arrow. You see, so there are 3 alterations in a natural minor scale: minor third, minor sixth, and minor seventh. Example: A natural minor. When you are comparing A natural minor to C major, you can think of it as you are in the same key. Some songs are written in minor, some songs are written in major. So I think you should be aware of this from now. Some songs are written in minor, that is, their tonic starts from minor, their root note starts from minor. Some are written in major, their root note starts from major. All right, and how can you know minor? Just take from your major note, which is your C, 3 semitones backward, you're going to land on your minor as your starting point. Now if we take A, which is the relative minor key to C major, as our starting point, which becomes our tonic. Now we have A tonic, B major second from A, C minor third from A, D perfect fourth from A, E perfect fifth from A, F perfect minor from F minor sixth from A, G minor seventh from A perfect octave from A. As you can see in front of each one, there are the number of semitones in between them. All right, so I'll play this scale one more time. And that is la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Okay, the next scale is harmonic minor scale. Let's see how it sounds like. That's la ti do re mi fa si la. Now let's open the scale. There are two alterations in a harmonic minor scale: minor third and minor sixth. Now, for you to understand this, once you understand the major scale and the relative minor scale of the major scale and interval, you can understand the scale. The only thing you need to play these scales are the correct fingerings to be able to play them correctly. Okay, so very simple. Now we're talking about minor, but this type of minor is harmonic minor. Okay, basically we have two types of minor scale, so harmonic and melodic, and then they have the way they ascend and the way they descend. Okay, for harmonic minor, you are going to ascend, you descend the same way you've ascended. Okay, so as you can see, these are the notes and the letters that form the harmonic minor scale. Melodic minor scale. La ti do re mi fi si la, and that's for melodic minor scale. Dropping down, you can see the description of the scale, and the way you ascend for melodic minor is different from the way you descend. If you open the descend, melodic minor in descend, you kind of restore the note. Instead of playing the uttered note, you restore them. Another interesting scale you should know about is major pentatonic scale. So pentatonic scale is scale which consists of 5 notes. Okay, example: C major pentatonic. You have C, you have D as major second, E major third, G perfect fifth, A major sixth, C perfect octave. Let's hear how it sounds like. That's do re mi sol la do, do re mi sol la do in tonic solfa. That's how it sounds like. Now the minor pentatonic, let's hear how it sounds like. The relative minor of C major is what? A minor. Alright, so that means our note will be starting from A instead of C. When the scale is major, we started from C, which sounds like this. Do re mi sol la do. Why the minor start from the A? La do re mi sol la. Okay, and if you are having A as your tonic, you have C as your third, la do, and you have D as a perfect fourth, you have E as a perfect fifth, you have G as a minor seventh, and A as a perfect octave. La do re mi sol la. Chromatic scale is more for fun, for the fun of it. Okay, so this is like playing all the keys from C to the upper C without omitting any of the black keys. Alright, now this is how it looks like. A chromatic scale is made up entirely of semitones, half steps, so you are not going to jump any key. C chromatic scale, you have C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, P, C. And you can see the number of semitones right in front of them. So this one is more like the fun of it. Also, you can learn it as a beginner and just have fun playing them around.